जो आइन से तसादुम रखती है, ठीक है. Appeal is a right. Civil petition for leave to appeal is not a right. For an appeal, the rules provide 30 days, which is a right. For a civil petition for leave to appeal, you get lots of time, 60 days. I would say it violates the very concept of the Constitution. Maybe it's a mistake. But the other question would be, can these rules be challenged? I think they can be challenged. If they had a supra-constitutional effect, they can't be challenged. Suppose tomorrow I refuse to fix any bench. What will compel me? At the moment there is stay order of reason, I said, nahin, hum chutti pe jaate hain, hum court hi nahi lagate hain. What will you do? Move a reference against me, that's about all. You can't compel me under any law to do that. So the object is, there has been a problem, there has been successive addition of cases. We are completely closing our eyes to it. हम 2019 में full court meeting हुई थी, वो भी हम नहीं कॉल कर सकते, वो भी इख्तियार चीफ जस्टिस का है. 2019 से 4 साल गुजर गए हैं, क्यों नहीं मीटिंग कॉल हो रही है? 2019 से उस जमाने में 40,000 केसेस थे, अब उसमें ऐड हो गए 27,000. हमारी मर्जी, हमारा डोमेस्टिक अफेयर है? नहीं, हमारा डोमेस्टिक अफेयर है, फिर हम तनख्वाह नहीं लें स्टेट से. हम टैक्स पेयर हमें पैसे देता है, हमें एक काम के लिए पैसे देता है, केस का फैसला करो, ये हमारा काम है और कोई काम नहीं है, बाकी सारे हमारे पेरिफेरल काम है. तो ये आप इतने आप उस मेन पॉइंट पे आप नहीं रह रहे हैं, आप भी खिसक रहे हैं उधर, वो भी मेन पॉइंट पे नहीं आ रहे हैं.
My lord, I just rephrase
Constitution of benches का, इसको पढ़े ना, ये save as otherwise provided by law.
जी. So
तब तो कोई law था नहीं.
जी, उस वक्त नहीं था. Recognition थी कि law provide कर सकता है कुछ.
नहीं, आपसे ये अभी देखिए,
उस वक्त law नहीं था.
अब ये लॉ, क्या ये आपके ख्याल में ये जो 1980 के रूल्स हैं, ये लॉ है?
My lord, these are
नहीं, आपसे सिंपल, आर द 1980 रूल्स लॉ, कम विद इन द पर्व्यू ऑफ लॉ?
191 की डेफिनेशन क्या आप
Article 191.
No sir.
No.
These are the rules.
These are the rules. The language says subject to the and the law, the Supreme Court will make rules.
What is the purpose of mentioning save as otherwise provided by law?
Yes. This is the recognition of what Article 191 provided. Now, at that time, there was no statute or an act of parliament which provided for anything, but the full court of this court left it open.
Now the law has been promulgated, and this covers under this provision.
Yes, not just this provision, it is covered under 191. This only recognizes what 191 already.
Mr. Attorney General, then you are excluding all those laws which are made under the delegated powers. You are excluding all those laws which are made under the delegation of the power by the government or the parliament. Delegated legislation.
In what context, my lord?
In the context of definition of law. There are two primary law and the delegated law. And delegated law includes the rules.
No, we are looking at
the Supreme Court rules are not law.
We are only looking at the language of 191. We are looking at the language of 199, and we are trying to understand what is the term or what is the scope of term law as provided under 191 is.
Yes.
Now, I had taken your lordship through how this provision or the pari materia provision had historically progressed, where in addition to parliament there was a executive as well. That role was taken away, that role was eliminated, but the role of parliament remained. And, my lords, Article 67, which provides for the regulation of the rules of procedure of the houses, there is no such
You have not
language.
You have not argued on Article 142 because this is the distribution of legislative power.
Yes.
And Majlis-e-Shura Parliament shall have exclusive powers to make laws
With respect
to any matter in the federal legislative list.
Yes.
And if we go through Article 50, the legislative list, item 57, it is also related to
58.
58. Uske saath 55, sorry, 55.
55, yes,
Jurisdiction
it is,
and
yes.
power of all courts.
So, insofar as Section 5 is concerned, it is entry 55. With respect to other provisions, it is Article 191 read with entry 58.
Article 50,
Would
sorry,
be read
item
Why is
58.
it not coming under 55? It says enlargement of the jurisdiction of
It
the
does.
Supreme
That's
Court
what I said, sir.
and the conferring up thereon of supplemental powers. So it
what
has
I
given us
submitted, sir.
more powers. I have committed a mistake. I've given you an exact example of a of a Himalayan mistake committed by